잘하다. 내가 제일 잘하다. 제일 잘하다.
Oh my God! No, 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 no! Na, 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 na! No, 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 no! Na, 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 na! Woo! No, 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 no! Ta, 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 ta! Ta 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 ta. Come baby, baby, come, come. Come, come. Isa pa! Isa pa!
Gusto niyo pa?
Yes!
Sige, go!
Woo!
Kung alam niyo yung song na ito, sabihin lang po. Let's go.
Baka in or out. In or out. Kung ina ko at sa puso mo. Am I in or out? Am I in or out?
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa suporta niyo. Mahal ko kayo!
Ang sabi na maraming salamat sa pagbansa sa puso ng Pilipino.
Dito lang niya makakanta yun. Yung inner out, diba? Dito lang niya makakanta. Namiss niya, pati siya nakamiss nun. But, of course, what a way for us to end the night.
What a way
goodness.
to end this way with everybody singing together. Maraming salamat for staying with us until the very end. Gusto niyo po maulit? Maulitin mo!
Yes!
Alright, yun ang aasahan natin. It is, it's been a close night and a good match. Wouldn't you agree?
That's right. Good.
Alam mo, it's all about culture, sportsmanship, lahat.
You know, alam mo? Yes.
All because of
Yes,
this
oo.
event here of Bench. Kaya maraming salamat, Bench, for having us. And it was my pleasure to be one of your courtside reporters for tonight. My name is Ayana Perlas.
Yes, and I'm Dassie.
That's very Choi.
This is my first time to join. It was really fun. Thank you so much, Bench, and thank you so much, guys. Yes, grabe. Wala akong masabi. It was such an amazing game so far, and I'm so proud and so honored to be a part of our family for today. Again, it's an exhilarating task to report from the bench of Clear Showtime that Greg didn't feel it worth actually. So once again, my name is Nikki Santos.
This is such a wonderful treat for all Korea and basketball fans, K-pop, K-drama, and even Philippine showbiz. What a treat from world-class performances to world-class basketball this evening has been truly a celebration of friendship, talent, and teamwork between Korea and the Philippines, Martin.
That's true. Reg, a pleasure hosting with you and working with you, ladies. But this has been Martin O'Meara signing off. Thank you for watching. Shoot 'em, Asia 2025.
Bye!